All right, folks, let's do number 20. A truck covers 40 meters in 8.5 seconds while smoothly slowing down to its final speed of 2.8 meters per second. So the truck is traveling at some initial velocity, and then it's going to have some final velocity, in this case at 2.8 meters per second. And during that moment, it covers at a distance of 40 meters. So this would be when t equals 0 seconds, and this is when t equals 8.50 seconds. And the question is asking, find its original speed. Okay, so what equations do we need to look at? I don't know at the top of my head, and I did solve it, but I never really remember. So, well, there is only one equation, but that sticks to mind. Actually, this makes sense. So there is a formula that the position of a particle is going to be the initial velocity plus the final velocity, which I'm going to just put it in here, over the course of, divide that by 2, multiplied by the time. In this case, the time is going to be 8.50 seconds, and the final position is going to be 40 meters. There we go. So all you, and then put the units. And so all you had to do is multiply by 2 on both sides, minus 2.80 times 8.50 divided by 8.50. I'm just doing this in my head here, and there we go. So you take the 2 times the 40, multiply by this, minus that thing, and then divide by that thing again, and then we're done. So you can just get your TI-84 calculator like I'm about to do. So 80 minus 2.80 times 8.50, all that divided by 8.50, and the answer is, so once you work that out, the initial velocity is going to be 6.61 meters per second. There we go. So that's part A. Part B is find the acceleration. Well, we do know the final velocity. The acceleration is really this. I'm going to write this as the change of velocity over the course of whatever change of t is, or in this case, the final velocity is 6.61 meters per second minus the initial velocity, which is 2.80 meters per second, divided by the 8.50 seconds. So, but I'm going to put the exact value. I'm not going to put the approximate value. So I'm just going to take this, put this in my calculator, divided by 8.50, and the acceleration, I think I messed up. I think I did. I did messed up. That's okay. I did put the difference, right? I don't know what I did. What the fuck did I do? I don't remember. Anyways, 2.80 minus whatever. I'm going to try this again. I went a little too fast, so I lost track of what I was doing. Okay. There we go. Okay, that's what I got. Okay, I got a different value because I put it in the calculator all wrong. But the acceleration is going to be negative. It should be a negative 0. I got 448, but I'm going to round down to 445 meters per second square. And that's it, folks. I hope this is pretty straightforward for you.